Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, a couple days left in August. You can see that we made new all-time highs. We talked going into Friday about the Powell speech. 4,500 was open for business. They went ahead and they took that out. They traded as high as 45.10. Globex tonight, your current high at the moment is 45.1325. You can see a little push in the area of the 9-day on Friday. That held. So we had the drop, the pop, the grind, and we're still kind of grinding. Nice little range here. So last week was a mix of, Monday and Friday were pretty volatile, lots of opportunities. Tuesday was a dead stick. Wednesday, Thursday, you could get your handles, but you had to be opportunistic. As we head into Labor Day weekend, I think we're going to see more of the, you're going to have to be opportunistic. Don't overtrade it. There may be a day this week, there may be a couple days this week where this tape just does not want to give you anything. And you know what? If the tape doesn't want to give you handles, then don't give it your money and don't give it your commission. Just leave it. Leave it. Let's get through Labor Day. Let's get into September. I always feel like September, October, November are, the trading months for me of the season. I think things get more volatile. There's a lot of performance chasing, things like that. Those are always three of my favorite months to trade. Favorite months to trade, right up there with January, February, March, April, which are those are great months too. So we're getting into a real good part of the year for trading. Hourly chart. Pretty boring Globex. They printed those highs. They took it back. Hourly mid today is 45.07 half. You got VWAP coming in 45.08. Proprietary moving average is 09 half. A couple looks at 12. A couple pushbacks. The new weekly pivot 44.8367. Bears need to live below that. They are noise above it. And what I mean by that is you might get some noisy little pullbacks, and you can be short those noisy little pullbacks, but when they die out, you got to flip, you got to buy. You got to be long with the trend of the tape. So here's our consolidation from last week. Little bit of a false move down, back up, and they flattened it again. And then this is Powell carried it up, and now we're up here. Instead of shelving here, we're shelving here. So we'll see how long this little shelf deal wants to last. Bollinger bandwidth is incredibly narrow right now, 0.178. Okay, that's tight. So it's almost too tight. So I would expect today we get a little bit of a move. And last Monday was very tradable, so we'll see what happens. I don't want to condemn the tape yet. Nothing really to look at on the 5-minute chart except a whole lot of flatlining. So as far as the areas that I am looking at off the open, I would say 45.07 to 45.10 is your range. I want to be long above. I want to be short below. Not trading this until the bell rings. I don't like chasing all-time highs to the upside, but what I will say is if the market wants to go up, the market wants to go up. And risking a couple to see if it wants to do another leg tends to pay pretty well in these types of markets if it wants to break out of some very tight bands. So don't say, oh, I just can't buy it up here. Why not? Why? Because you want to fade it? How does that, how's that been going for you? So see what price actually does and react to that. Okay, short and sweet this morning. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trading well. Check out the private Facebook group. Come check out the room. I will be out with a midday update, probably around 1:30, and we'll hit that then. Take care, and I'll talk to you then.